This is how to make raspberry hibiscus soda. Scale 225 grams of fresh raspberries and add them to a small mixing bowl. Berries picked at the ripest have the best flavor. Add the zest and juice of a lemon. The lemon zest is where all the lemon flavor is and enhances the natural raspberry flavor. The lemon juice is the acid that helps to separate the raspberry syrup from the raspberry pulp. Add 60 grams of a good quality local honey, I am using clover, which adds sweetness and flavor. Add 3 grams of dried hibiscus, which amplifies the raspberry's refreshing sour tang. Sous vide is a style of cooking that uses a water bath heated to an exact temperature for long periods of time. To cook the raspberry hibiscus mixture into a syrup using the sous vide method, transfer the mixture to a freezer bag, remove the excess air, and seal the bag. Cook the raspberry and hibiscus mixture in a water bath using an immersion circulator set at 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit and set a timer for 30 minutes. Transfer the hot bag of syrup to an ice bath to cool before putting the bag into the refrigerator. Allowing the syrup to cool in the refrigerator overnight before straining creates a deeper, longer lasting flavor. Strain the cooked berries through a fine mesh sieve. It is the syrup that we use for the soda pop, so do not worry about forcing the berry pulp through the screen. The recipe yield is about 200 milliliters. Fill a 500 milliliter wide mouth mason jar full of ice and pour 100 milliliters of raspberry hibiscus syrup over top of the ice. Fill the glass with soda. Give the soda a little stir and serve.